like the bigger leopards, yeah. Yes. To me, this is perfect. I'd almost rather go for, other than,
yeah, and there's
other than it's aluminum and not poly.
Yeah, and they have their engine. That's interesting.
Yeah, the dinghy motor.
A little bit of storage.
Some serious rope there. Holy smokes.
Yeah, but.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fall asleep here all the time.
Yeah. Right, yeah. For that. Whoa. I got her pulled in.
So this is an Admiral, a 40 footer. It's an 09.
All right.
And it's
Oh, it is a
one
9.
of the roughest 09s I've seen. For a boat this age, it's really rough.
The register down here, I registered it in St. Paul, where I just moved down from at the time.
It's a nice Bimini hardtop, and it's got the window so you can see the sails.
It's a big enough deck. You know, big enough.
Yeah.
Plenty of room to put on, take gear on and off.
So you got one on each, looks like one on each side.
All right.
Yeah, that's a lot of room now.
Got a shot of it. Here. So yeah, it's working. Sorry, Scott, you might be in a photo or two.
Yeah, I mean, I went to a Jeanneau show a few months ago in Davie. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Everybody was, they wore masks. There's more behind it.
Yeah, I know. I saw that. I'm like, that to me is huge. Yeah.
Right on it.
Still gotta hang upside down, but that's not. So at least you got some room.
You can get to your shower with privacy.
Yeah.
Just the two of you is probably not an issue.